YouTube. Got an old heater I'm scrapping, so I figured I'd just record it. Why am I doing it? Because I just feel like scrapping it. So I'm going to take it apart and just make a video. So hopefully somebody would want to see what's in one of these. They're not made very well. The thing is I've had about several of these. These buttons keep breaking and they die. They just suck. So keep watching and I'll take one apart. You'll see. This is a scrappy heater. I don't have all my... First thing I'm going to do is chop the cord off. Use this first. Chop, chop. There's the cord gone. Now we'll take out. Don't mind, I have visitors in here, so. Ta-da! I think my screwdriver is stripped. Need a better screwdriver. That's what I need. Take all the screws out. If you hear voices in the back, it's just her. Car, you making noise back there? Okay. Ta-da! Take all the screws out of here. Why do I do this? Just because it's fun. I had a blender I was going to take apart, but oh well. I actually have another hand blender I want to take it apart. I got to figure out how to get it apart. I might have to use a grinder to cut it open. What'd you do? Did you break it off? Or did you unscrew it? So just screw it back on. That's all. Here's the... Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on. Give me a second. I was taking this apart. These are actually useful. I could actually use those. I want to make a few display cases, and the little rubber things come in handy. So yeah, there we go. Just take them out. The whole object of this is just to unscrew everything. If there's any aluminum in here, I'll keep it. Everything else is going to trash. All right, let's see. How did this get on? Oh, there's a magnet on there. That's cool. Well, if I can fix that. Alrighty. Some more screws. More screws. I did buy a Milwaukee cordless, little cordless screwdriver, but I left it at home. Bought it, bring it in here, but I don't leave it here in the winter because the cold gets too bad on tools. Ta-da, ta-da. Alright, what do we got here? What do we got here? Plug. What do we cut first? We'll cut this one. Comes out. Come on. There we go. Let's just go like this. Chop. Chop. Not much to these things. Chop, chop, chop. You logged out? There you go. Couple of wires. That's it, really. I want this come out. Weird. Cut it out of here, that's all. Scrap, scrap, scrap. Lots of scrap. Cut this off of here. That off of there. There's a fan. And some wires. That's it. Ta-da. Bet you're not even copper. Christ, I don't think it's copper. That one looks like it's copper. Ouch. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Who's this? Is this copper? Yeah, it probably is. Da-da, 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 da-da. Da-da, da-da. Ta-da, ta-da. Chop. 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 Couple of copper wires. What am I doing with the copper wires? I'm putting in my little copper bin over there. This is junk. A little flimsy piece of metal. This is riveted on there, and pretty much everything else is junk. Not sure how the hell this thing comes out. It's kind of weird though, this is made. Oh, here we go. Ceramic. Kind of a waste of ceramic, huh? Look at that. Just a waste of little ceramics. Springy. Lots of springies in here. Kids love springs. Here we go. Put that off there. Put that one off there. Ta-da, ta-da. How does this come out? It goes out that way, it goes out that way. That one goes out that way. Ooh, gold mine, look at that. Lots of gold. Not really. See? Look at all the white gold. Yeah, right, garbage. Springs, lots of weird springs. Just cut them up. Springs, springies, rum springos. Springs, and these things. Let's see. Where's my... Come on. Come on. Here we go. Knob remover. Let's see now. Oh, look. More screws. Ta-da! One screw. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. That one's done. And we need a wrench. Take this off here. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. I like these wrenches. They're cool. Ta-da, ta-da. There's the screw. That's it, folks. What is this, a light? How's that get off there? That's off there. That's pretty much it. On metal body. Oh, I forgot this thing. What's on here? Oh, look, 2 more screws. 2 more screws. Holy crap. Are you recording? No. No? Okay. There must be a use for this. I don't know, maybe you can pan for gold for it. There's a, yeah, little motor. It's all nasty. Anyway, that's it. All done. This is, let's see. Everything that's in a, everything you ever wanted in a heater is, that's my phone cable. There we go. That's what's in your home heater. Plus this and something else. So yeah, we're gonna chuck it all in the garbage. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the boring video and stay tuned. I got more weird stuff.